Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Giant Hills District kum shibanta ka Independence Day celebration kalapulong da ka jingakop siat Carrom Board hapdeng ki khna Scouts Guides. Ya ka ni ka jingakop lapli ha ka khandai tarik da uma ohiwat lalu Joint State Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Shillong ha ka jingdon lang uma Adyam Ubutho District Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Bat Uma J Pala District Training Councillor Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides. Katba haka singipun kut ya ka nga jingakop haka kat Southrik Nailar, lawan bansaki da uma Auhai Andrew Shulai, MDC JHADC kum ukong san. Haka jingalang lingkot bala penyai da kakong Griko Risa Sana, District Organizer Guides West Giant Hills, bat ke jingkran pediang na ukefli gasa, District Organizer Scout West Giant Hills, kumju nakakong CD Lalu, District Commissioner, Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, West Giant Hills District. Uma Andrew Shulai haga jingkran ulaong ka jingdan benta haga Scouts Guides Movement, kalong ka jingkar ku haga bagi kena kinyo shibun ki jingtip jing shampang haki babun kiliang. Ukmi lenti ru baka jingpelong ya ka jingakop kalong ka jinghikaya ki kena banlong ki briu ki badan ka mensim bat yaisha haki jingakop baper. Ya ka nam lakdu na champion jong ka jingakop lara da wansalandhar baar kadema ya shila bat jet kerpang dekar.
Hajing mi poni plan ti kam student kam guru poni main focus kita kat andre ngaji chemi yang ngada lain ada empos Scouts and Guides ini extra curricular activities tu kau lima anda tahu yang scout ni tahu sports ni tahu apa ada in that participate pun yo hikai hari ini namun yo indirectly lah directly yo itu andre kali gajing cimenta extra curricularies ni join ni scout ni participate kami di Carrom Board tournament kami orang tu dalam tu okey tu men sekarang ni kalau tidak kita Carrom patience tu hikai kai pun haman sen kawan man patience cuma concentrate di one ikam dengan ada pencelurit how kat man le kam ha aku dah berhenti lagi ni sakar relatif la iman jiwa kui at value yang jingim yang ni man dah hai kanang grow for society udah ni ni
one that ye you kalami pi kama oman tu le hop honors dem ni te sega discipline kan discipline man ka kopi ko kung fu ki jinglong jingim kyong pi na ka wan ka ka wale pi kam tam kanile man le kita ke games pi ka promote ke discipline kyong pi dem to do ong ka ki inner voice kyong pi hamle tu ngapan ba ya ke discipline yang pi ko to nga kat man discipline ni yala de takwa pi ki scouts ki kai le man discipline pi o kon mo pi kata ka discipline go mi pindo yung hard o school kam tam MP for scout and guides of discipline for more party pi
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think you know, remember once more.